Hello everyone, happy Thursday. I just wanted to create a video. A students, you know what you need to do today. So we'll go to our week 3 folder. And as always, we will start with our agenda. So, B students, by chance, if you are watching this, we will go over all of this at our Zoom meeting on Thursday at 10:20. A students, because we obviously don't have a Zoom meeting today, Thursday, you need to do this on your own. So eventually I will link this video right here for you. But what you need to do, and I know this might be challenging, but I really want you to give it an honest try, and we will review it on Monday, is based on that chart that we talked about and you did in class, or at our Zoom meeting on Monday rather, you need to today start drafting your essay. So what you're going to do is you are going to click on the essay organizer, which I will show you in just a minute here, and you are going to try to complete your introduction paragraph and your first body paragraph. So after you type it into your essay organizer, then what you're going to do is click on the essay document assignment, and you are going to copy and paste into that document. So really, you're trying to write your intro paragraph and your first body paragraph in your essay organizer, and then copy and paste it into your essay document, and we're going to go over each one of those things right now. So back to our week 2 folder. The character chart, remember, you've already submitted earlier in the week, so you chose your character, you chose, you filled in different categories for your character, and then that chart will turn into your lovely first ever essay of high school. So, first place you're going to go is the character essay organizer. You will click My Document. I'm clicking this just because I have the teacher view, so it looks a little different. And it will bring up a document that looks like this. So, the first thing right away I want you to know is this is a document basically where you're planning out your essay. So this is kind of like your rough draft. So you'll type out your sentences here and then you'll copy and paste them into your actual essay that you're going to turn in to me. Normally we do this on paper and you write it and then you type it, but now that we're online, it will be easy with copying and pasting. So this is, again, to plan out your essay. Also, I want you to notice that right here, every single paragraph has a YouTube video that I've pre-recorded explaining what you need to do. So, in this video, I'm not going to explain how to write the intro paragraph or how to write paragraph 1, but watch these videos here and you'll be good to go. Also, I have an example. So I've made an example on my character Katniss that I did my chart example for. So use that as a guide. Make sure you do not copy my sentences. That is plagiarism, but use it as a guide and make things your own. So your intro paragraph, what you're going to do is everything that's in black is basically like my directions for you, my sections for you. Everything in blue then is going to be your writing. So sometimes I've given you sentences to start. So again, blue is basically like if this was paper and pencil, blue would be like what you're adding with your pencil and black would be like what's on the worksheet. So you're going to do your intro paragraph. Again, watch the introduction video here for instructions. And then you're going to try your best to type in your first body paragraph. Notice how some of these I've given you sentences to start, and some you have to come up with your own sentences. Please change your own sentences, your text, to this blue font. And again, use this video here as instructions on how to write this paragraph. So you're going to try your best today to do your intro paragraph, which will take you like 5 minutes, and then your first body paragraph about personal attributes. If you remember back to that chart, the first part was personal attributes about physical description and personality, and that is what body paragraph 1 is about. After you have watched the videos, filled in your information, looked at my example, and all that fun stuff, what you're going to do next is you are going to go back to our week 3 folder. You're going to click on the essay document, and you're going to copy and paste the blue text only. Again, you are going to copy and paste the blue text only over here into your essay. And so by the end of the day today, you should have your introduction paragraph here in your essay document, and you should have your first body paragraph here. So I know this might seem like a lot, and I know it's hard to kind of start your essay on your own, but I want you guys to just try it, give it an honest effort. And then next Monday, when we have our Zoom meeting, we will review, we will make sure you did intro and body paragraph 1, and we'll dig into body paragraph 2. So try your best here. If you get too caught up, please send me an email. But again, you're watching this video. You are doing intro and body paragraph 1, use all those videos, and then you're copying and paste them into your essay document. Your essay document is like actually your final essay, what you're going to turn into me. So questions, let me know, but have a lovely weekend, and I will see you on Monday.